Hello, welcome back. So, what if I tell you you can investigate your data into more granularity? So, for example, here we have classes by location, and if I just say I want to see walked in gym, this is an summary. So, if I just take my cursor on walked in gym and I click on drill through weeks, days of weeks, and attendance, so I get a more granular data into this. So, this is the beauty of Power BI. Here, what we will do, we will, instead of using a different slicers or something else, we will just use drill through. So a drill through is a function in a Power BI where you can just go from a summary table or from a summary view to a more granular view. So how we can use a drill through in Power BI, let's see. So for now, I have this page where this centers is a summary page, and these attendees and days of weeks are the granular page, more detailed view. So if in centers, I just wanted to click on, let's say, Swinton Gym, right? I don't want to go here, like there is no filter for me to just select this Swinton gym. So what I will do, I will just click on this, and if there is some filter through which I can directly go to attendees or days of week, then that would be good for me. So I can then on these two pages, I can just see the details of whatever I have selected in centers. So for this, what we will do, we will go on attendees page, and here from our data I will take location and put it into drill through, right? And now I will go in the days of week also, and I will put location into drill through. Now if you go back to the centers and if you just click on, let's say, SLS gym, right? And now you can see here a drill through button is coming. So when I just wanted to see the data for this SLS trim, then I can just go on and I can just select any page I wanted to see. For example, if I just click on days of week, then it will just show me the data of this SLS trim. If you can see that whatever I have selected there, it's appearing here. So if let's say if you want to see, I can just give you one example here. So for days of week right now, if you see the charts lines are only one, this Saturday bar is above 400, right? And if I just remove this, right, and then you can see that the values are 0k, 1k, 2k, right? And if I just go on centers and drill through, then there will be just one page, which is this attendees. So for this I will add this again, and now if I go here and if I just click on drill through and just goes on days of weeks, then it will give me the data for that only. So this is how you use drill through, very powerful tool. Do let me know in comment section if you are facing any issue. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.